PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a commercial HVAC repair business operating in Kutztown, Pennsylvania that offers expert HVAC services and repairs to our consumers. Our skilled technicians have the knowledge, training and experience necessary to complete all of your commercial HVAC services. No matter the size or complexity of your commercial HVAC repair, we can handle it all. Contact our commercial HVAC repair specialists today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial HVAC repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. Is it possible to fix a Freon leak? If the leak is crucial, you will need to hire a professional to make repairs. After the leak has been fixed, you should have your air conditioning unit serviced. How do I locate an HVAC Freon leak? UV dye helps technicians find refrigerant leaks. HVAC technicians use bright dye to locate leaks. After circulating through your HVAC system, a detecting lamp pinpoints the leak. What is your service area for the Kutztown office? Our commercial HVAC repair experts have helped clients in the surrounding areas of Kutztown, Kempton, Albany, Leonardsville, Edinburgh, Hamburg, Bern, Croomsville, New Smithville, Lyons, Dreville, Fredericksville, Topton, Mertztown, Maxatawny, Muslim Springs, Kirbyville, and Evansville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Kutztown, Pennsylvania commercial HVAC repair office located? We are located at 15260 Kutztown Road No. 113, Kutztown, Pennsylvania 19530. Our phone number is 610-672-3053. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Kutztown-RD-Kutztown-HVAC-service.